Hello and welcome to the ISC Squared Certified in Cybersecurity instructional video series by howtonetwork.com, which will act as your gateway to a successful information security career. Within this introduction, we'll break down all essential details regarding the certification, exam outline, and its potential benefits. So let's begin. In this video, we will cover the course outline and its contents, the exam outline, and the certification roadmaps that I myself find useful within the industry of cybersecurity. So here are some details on the exam. The purpose of the ISC Squared Certified in Cybersecurity certificate is to provide you with the knowledge necessary for success within the cybersecurity industry, regardless of experience level. This certification will serve as a foundation for novices and professionals seeking to enhance their qualifications. Attesting to one of the main advantages of the ISC Squared Certified in Cybersecurity certification, neither formal education nor work experience is required. Therefore, anyone interested can pursue certification, commencing their journey into the field of cybersecurity. This computer-based test takes place at Pearson VUE testing centers and consists of 100 multiple-choice questions lasting 2 hours in total. A minimum score of 700 out of 1,000 points is required for passing status. The exam determines the student's understanding across the 5 domains included in the exam outline. There exist 5 domains within the examination content, each including an array of essential topics relevant to cybersecurity. They include Domain 1, Security Principles. This provides fundamental principles of information security with the goal of developing a stable comprehension of the domain. Domain 2, Incident Response, Business Continuity, and Disaster Recovery. This section delves into strategies and techniques involved in responding effectively to security incidents, promoting business continuity and recovery from disasters. Domain 3, Access Control Concepts. This domain pertains to the various access control mechanisms and concepts utilized to protect against unauthorized data breaches and steps for safeguarding data and systems. Domain 4, Network Security. This domain outlines key network security principles, technologies, and best practices designed to ensure secure infrastructure while defending against possible cyber threats. And finally, Domain 5, Security Operations. This domain delivers insights regarding vital aspects overseeing security operations center management, incident handling, compliance regulations, etc. To assist in comprehensive preparation for certification exams, this course presents an in-depth analysis of information security system concepts, collective industry practices, as well as vocabulary. Aiding in preparation will be self-paced learning materials, including video lectures, practice quizzes, and supplementary educational tools. Important to note is that ISC Squared provides a pre-course assessment to gauge your level of knowledge realistically while identifying areas of strength and weakness. By reviewing feedback from answering questions of test results, foundation building becomes possible towards successful completion. Upon earning the ISC Squared Certified in Cybersecurity certification, opportunities soar within one's career. Additional suggested certifications include ISC Squared System Security Certified Practitioner, or the SSCP, and CompTIA Security Plus, which will lead you towards obtaining additional widely recognized professional credentials. Electing to acquire the ISC Squared certificate will grant you the credibility necessitated within the ever-growing cybersecurity demand. Moving on then to cover some roadmaps for certifications that I find useful within the cybersecurity industry, the first of these roadmaps being the CompTIA roadmap. So this roadmap outlines a number of different cybersecurity certifications and breaks them down depending on the different area of cybersecurity that you would like to get into. The second roadmap I would like to highlight comes from SANS, and mainly focuses on SANS courses themselves. And finally, we have the Cybersecurity Certification Roadmap by Paul Jeremy. I find this roadmap particularly useful due to how in-depth it is regarding various certifications. It is broken down into a number of different areas of cybersecurity, and once you navigate to this site, you can hover over each certificate and it will provide you with information regarding how much it costs, the experience level required, the domains covered, etc. So that brings us to the end of this lesson. In this lesson, we've covered the course outline and its contents, the exam outline, and some certification roadmaps that I find useful. In the next lesson, we will cover topic 1.1, understand the security concepts of information assurance. Thank you, and see you then.